So, ang ating kaibigan na si Robo Campo ay nag-request na talakayin natin ang compensation ng mga wrongfully convicted pero later on acquitted na mga kaso. And of course, yung wrongful conviction, just imprisonment in the heart and in the soul of the Philippine Constitution. At pinuprotektahan tayong lahat from this kind of experience. And when you are wrongfully convicted, dapat merong compensation na ibigay sa inyo ng ating gobyerno. Kaya dito na-create ang Republic Act 7309 at ito yung tinatawag Board of Claims Law. At ang Board of Claims Law ay nagbibigay compensation o kabayaran sa mga taong na-convict wrongfully pero at the end of the day, naging free because of an acquittal by final decision, mostly by the Supreme Court. And under Section 3 of RA 7309, a victim of unjust imprisonment or detention shall be entitled to compensation of not less than 1,000 pesos but not more than 10,000 pesos per month of detention. No? So, medyo maliit daw. No? 1,000 pesos a day but not more than 10,000. So, if you were imprisoned for 30 days, actually, ang compensation mo 10,000 pesos. No? Maganda yan. Pero ang problema, the same law says, it shall not exceed 60,000 pesos. No? So, if you were imprisoned unjustly for 10 years, ano ang maximum amount na makukuha mo under the law? No? Siyempre, within 10 months na yan. No? So, 10,000 a month times 6, only 6 months. Kasi, ang sabi dito, ang maximum makukuha mo for the 10 years that you have been wrongly imprisoned is only 60,000 pesos. Ito, gagawin mo ba before the Board of Claims? I remember a case where a farmer was acquitted by the Supreme Court after 15 years in prison. Nung nag-claim siya dito, yun lang ang nakuha niya, 60,000 pesos. Habang sinasabi niya, nasira yung buhay ko for 15 years. Nawala yung income ko, iniwan ako ng asawa ko, and all that for 60,000 pesos. Medyo unfair in these modern times. And siguro, dapat talaga i-amend ang law na ito para i-adjust yung masyadong mababang compensation for people who have been wrongly convicted, wrongly imprisoned, and at the end of the day, acquitted from the crime.